Kevin Costner claims that his wife's expensive car purchase demonstrates that she was planning her exit long before their divorce. Kevin Costner believes his former wife Christine was plotting an exit strategy in their marriage months before their divorce. In a recent court file acquired by People amid the protracted divorce, Costner, 68, and his legal team allege that Christine, 49, has been taking cash advances on credit cards, issued not to her but to staff members without his knowledge or consent. Furthermore, Costner says that a car purchase Christine made previous to their divorce could show she was planning on splitting up. Months before separation, although the parties had always leased their automobiles, without knowledge or consent, bought an expensive vehicle for her personal use, the documents read. Thus, it appears that had been planning her exit long before she told in April 2023. Christine, according to the statement, has demonstrated a disturbing proclivity in the last several months, both before and after separation, to take respondent's property without his knowledge or consent, particularly since this case was filed. Christine stated in her response to Costner's petition that Costner's request includes a slew of false statements that are no doubt included to play to the press and smear me in the media. I will not respond to each one. Christine filed for divorce on May 1 after 18 years of marriage, listing their date of separation as April 11. When the breakup made headlines, a Costner rep said in a statement, "Circumstances beyond his control have transpired that led to the divorce filing." A source told People at the time that the divorce was not anything that wanted or sought, and if he could change the situation, he would. Christine, a former handbag designer, has been ordered to move out of the Santa Barbara estate, worth an estimated $145 million, where she and Kevin raised their three kids, Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13, by July 31. As she prepares to move out, the latest filings show Costner is concerned about what items from the home Christine will take with her, down to who gets what silverware, kitchen items, and electronics. In documents filed by Kevin's lawyers, the actor asked the court to prevent from removing separate property from his home, and to ensure an orderly process for the removal of her separate property. He alleged that under the terms of the premarital agreement they signed before marrying in 2004 there is no community property. Christine wrote in her response, "With the exception of my clothing, jewelry, toiletries, and handbags, Kevin wants to have the final say as to whether I can remove my personal items from the house or my storage unit." Meanwhile, Costner was ordered to pay $129,755 per month in child support until further proceedings. The order is retroactive, which means that if the final ruling of the case changes, child support will have to be paid forward or back to July 1. A source told People this week that Christine was relieved by the ruling and that she only wants to take care of and support her children. It is not their fault that they are divorcing. She doesn't want them to suffer or have unpleasant life changes as a result of it. The Costners' legal teams will return to court on August 2 for a hearing on the couple's prenuptial agreement. Kevin has requested the court to order Christine to pay $99,225 in legal fees.